Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. If you'd like to see the kinds of food I eat to help me lose over 100 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. If you'd like to see the kinds of food I eat that help me lose over 100 pounds, be sure to come on along and share the day with me. Today's breakfast, I'm having 2 pieces of avocado toast for 2 points, topped with 49 grams of avocado for 2 points, a half a grapefruit, sweetened with Sweet and Low, and an iced coffee for 1 point. So this is going to be my 5-point breakfast. I topped the avocado toast with some everything but the bagel seasoning. It's a yummy breakfast, easy peasy. So after breakfast, I decided to take a walk today, get some of my steps in, trying to get back on my 10,000 step goal every day. So here I am, taking a walk. When I lived in Florida, walking became a habit. I did it every single day. I do have a nice place to walk around the lake. Some baby duckies, their mama, their dada. Getting 10,000 steps in every day is a habit. You have to start. Any kind of exercise is something you need to help you lose weight. So I have to get back in my habit of walking every day. So I'm trying to get, in Florida I would walk 5,000 steps before I even eat breakfast. That was my habit. I did it every day. Here, not so much, but I'm gonna see if I can get started on a good walking habit every day now that it's getting warmer. Summertime in Ohio, almost. We'll see if we can get this good habit started again, so I can hit my goal sometime in the future. Keep on trying, never give up. When I'm walking, I like to do a few things at once, or 2 things. Besides getting my steps in, I like to listen with my headphones to something that would be of interest to me, either reading a book or listening to a book, a podcast, some music that makes me want to walk faster. And today I'm listening to a WW Walk podcast, and today is talking about shifting your mindset, because shifting your mindset is just as important as shifting the kinds of foods you eat. So that is kind of the things I do to help me get through a walk. So maybe you could do one of those too. Like if you just read a book and you read it while you're walking, it'll make you look forward to getting your steps in. So good luck. Have a good day. Get those steps in. So what did I get out of that Walk Talk podcast from WW? I think there's some important things going on that have to go on in your mind. It's not all about what's on your plate, but it's on what's in your mind also. So I think number one thing is that we have to have self-compassion, and when we have a setback, we shouldn't be hard on ourselves. We should just accept it and move on, because no one is 100% perfect. And it's just a matter of liking yourself and telling yourself good things, talking to yourself like you would a friend instead of putting yourself down. Give yourself a pep talk. And that is what is important about self-compassion in a mindset. And a couple other things they talked about is you should surround yourself with support system, which is what YouTube channels or WW Connect is for. All those things are so helpful in keeping on track and helping you lose weight. So, and it gives you the proper mindset to get things done, as they say. Instead of just doing weight loss goals, you should do behavior goals, because Weight Watchers or any healthy eating program is about lifestyle changes, not just about the program. Expect the setbacks. They're going to happen to everybody, and all you have to do is to go back and do what you were doing correctly. So focus on one thing, one day. So if you were always walking 10,000 steps a day, try to go back and try to make those steps start again. You can do it. It's just you have to get it in your mind that you are worth it, you can do it, and you will do it. So if you want to listen to that podcast, that's or walk talk as they call it on WW, just go to the app and you'll see it under the walk talks, and it's using mindsets to overcome setbacks. For lunch, I made some egg roll in the bowl. I fried some ground turkey, added a bag of coleslaw mix, some green onions, a little bit of ginger and garlic, and that is going to be my lunch, along with some Trader Joe's wontons, and I'm having Asian for lunch today. There's my lunch. I'm having 5 wontons and a 0-point serving of the egg roll in a bowl. The wontons, I believe, are 2 points for the 5. In between lunch and dinner, I had a snack of a Rice Krispie treat bar. These are 4 points, but they are one of those foods that trigger me, and I really should not have them around. So for dinner, I was making some chicken fajitas. I cut up some green peppers, orange peppers, and red peppers and onions and sauteed them in a pan with olive oil. And then I sprinkled some of this fajita seasoning on this and the chicken that I'm marinating. I cooked the chicken pieces that I had marinating in the air fryer for about 12 minutes, and I served it on a 1-point La Banderita carb counter tortilla, added some fat-free cheese and some low-fat sour cream and a side of Spanish rice with corn. Such a good dinner, I had 2 of them. 2-point fudgicle for dessert, made by Popsicle brand. There's no sugar added. I had some points left over, so I'm having one of these brownie chocolate chip cookie snacks. They are only 70 calories, 2 points on the WW personal points plan. They are really good. They have other varieties like cinnamon coffee cake and lemon, I believe, and then a chocolate brownie, but I'm having this one for another snack or a sweet treat, whatever you want to call it. So that's going to be the end of my what I ate in a day video. I used 26 points for the day. I had some low point lunch, so I didn't use so many points today. I probably should add a little bit more fruit or vegetables to my day every day, especially a fruit or so, instead of eating those sweet treats, because those kind of make my appetite a little bit more, so that's why I use it at the end of the day. Please comment below if you like these kind of videos or if you'd like to see something else from me. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!